Humpty Dumpty sat so high, watching birds up in the sky. Then he slipped and took a tumble. Crack went the bone with a mighty rumble. Inside the bone there's quite a fuss. Tiny helpers rush to us. They don't panic, they don't yell. They start the job of healing well. Calcium comes, strong and bright, building armor day and night. Like little bricks it starts to lay, helping bones repair way. Collagen weaves a stretchy net. The bone's not ready walking yet. Like a scaffold standing tall, it helps support the healing wall. Osteoblasts are builders small, working hard inside it all. Hammer, stack, and smooth it right, making the bone strong and tight. Now the bone is strong once more, better than the day before. Calcium, collagen, builders too. That's how bones heal me and you.